Next is Brisa. Brisa. Brace. Brisa. Brace. This is Brisa. They have 5 siblings, but they already sold. So she's only one left. She is four years old. And next is Comments. This is, they have 3 brothers and sisters. Comment is a boy. He has black eyes. Comment. He has a black eyes, and he's another sister. It's Cayenne. This is Cayenne. Why is your eyes? She has almond eyes. Cayenne. She is 3.5 years old. And the last one is, the youngest one is, he is 2 years old. It's Corbo. That's Corbo. He is 2 years old and a half. He has also blue eyes. He is very sweet. And all of them are sweet. Are dogs, because they live from our, others are inside the house, others are at the back of our house. It's in the kids. Every day we let them out and have Apu and FD. This is their kids. If you are willing to have like us a husky dog, you can message. But as of now, we don't have puppy because we have total husky dogs 12 and 1 Shih Tzu dog. Our beloved, our most loved, not really most, but he is very cute. He is very thin. Shih Tzu. Called his Dobby. And this is the only we have. There are 13 dogs among. We breed last pandemic, but unfortunately they were not sold because of pandemic at that time. So just stay in our home. Many of them. But kanang ano siya, makawala siya o pagod. It's because dogs are very sweet, especially husky one. Anyway, thank you for watching with our videos, and have a good day. Good morning, everyone.